was accused of grooming minors. I am gonna say that I didn't, but I probably did. But I have a shitty guitar that I bought for $6 at Goodwill. My non-existent law team said that I shouldn't make a song because I actually didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Straight from the defecation station, cause this song is shit. Toxic gossip train. This guitar, I tried tuning it and it's not well tuned. The toxic gossip train. I tried to learn the chords, but they didn't work on this thing. The toxic gossip train. I'm gonna fucking incriminate myself with a ukulele. A toxic gossip train. I was accused of grooming minors, and instead of listening to my legal team, you know what I did? I pulled out a fucking ukulele. The toxic gossip train. I said that I made a fart joke, but it was actually calling up an underage fan on stage and spreading her legs so I could look down her dress. Oh, the toxic gossip train. I'm not good at apologies. You won't hear me say the word sorry. The toxic gossip train. I have no idea how to play this thing. The toxic gossip train. I'm not a groomer. The only thing I ever groomed is my 2 Persian cats. Not a groomer, just a loser. The toxic gossip train. I went in a group chat with minor fans. The toxic gossip train. I have fucking no clue what I'm doing. The toxic gossip train. You know, that would probably be a better song than what she actually did. But I don't just have beef with one shitty apology. I have beef with them all. Because if you're actually fucking sorry, say the word sorry! What other apology videos are there, you might ask? A lot. And you know how many of them say the word sorry? Approximately none. But you know, there are so many better creators out there who know how to make shit better than me. But little old me, I'm just gonna do whatever the fuck I want. I have a YouTube channel that makes me qualified. By the way, these are my 2 Persian cats, and I groom them by sending them sexually explicit messages. You can tell how scarred he is. Don't note that this one's a hedgehog. I didn't actually have any controversy because I don't have a following at all. I'm still gonna make shitty apologies. It's a pretty basic format, right? I don't really feel like sitting on the floor. Let's just look up apology. I just found actual piracy. If you look up a misspelling of apology, you'll find these movies. Now, I have an actual very terrible controversy. There are many ways I can choose to come back with this apology. There's so many in my arsenal. So this is an apology video tutorial to channel that energy. Oh, it's too early to cry. My legal team said I shouldn't make this video. But I just really had to come on here because I love you so much. I love my fans more than all the money that I exploit you for. I didn't actually do anything. YouTube recommended me a piracy channel, and by showing it to my fans, I didn't know I was doing anything. Okay. Okay, so did you feel genuine remorse there for just watching that? That's a good thing, okay? Because the more uncomfortable the audience is, the more remorse they'll feel, because they feel like they did something wrong just by watching that video. Now, another thing I did, if you notice, I shifted the blame. Did I once say sorry? No. You know who I did blame? YouTube. Okay, but an important thing to do, punch up, okay? Or to the side. You don't punch down because that makes you look like an asshole. Even though you are an asshole, you don't want to further incriminate yourself. So you see how I blamed a large corporation where I would blame someone close to me? That's a real advanced one. Did you actually believe I was crying? A rookie mistake that I made was that I didn't actually have any fake tears on hand. So another thing that you might want is maybe a squeeze bottle, right? But just water, okay? If you want, you can maybe sprinkle a little salt in there, just a little, just to imitate the real thing, right? Because we're professionals here at Fake Apology Specialists. Remember, if you're going to do anything that is illegal or considered immoral, make sure never actually take accountability. You can say that you're going to take accountability. You can say that, but never actually do that, okay? Never actually take accountability. You can make stupid out-of-taste jokes. You can even sing a fucking song, like My Beautiful Song. And we're not going to talk about the original, okay? Because another thing that we do here is steal other people's hard work. That was really hard work that I stole by sitting on my ass and strumming a guitar and screaming. That is the kind of thing that we want to see here. Okay, and if you have any criticism, another technique that we can use today, okay, is get really pissed off for no fucking reason. If someone gives me valid criticism, just be completely out of pocket, alright? Maybe even go to their profile and say, hey, that stupid hairline, right? When they're actually calling you out on something. I'm full of the knowledge, right? And you might ask, Vincent, why don't you even have 900 subscribers? You're such a genius, right? Thing is, I don't know. I don't even have enough of a following to get into controversy. So maybe that's the real genius there. I never even have to get into controversy, but I am prepared. Okay, internet controversy, this is your survival kit here. And there's so much more that came from. I only scratched the surface. If you're an internet celebrity and you fucked up, you can come to me, okay? Because I have wasted a lot of my life on shitty internet stuff. And I have seen so many assholes get away with stuff that they really shouldn't. You may contact me for a consultation. I'm actually very, very skilled in what I do, okay? So if you try to give me any shit, I'm an expert. If you give me any shit by saying, oh, Vincent, you're not qualified, shut up. I'm coming after your hairline, especially your barber, okay? Because that seems to be the only insult, and it works so well. Another thing that is extremely illegal, I could just straight up find where you live, because that would be very mature of me as a niche internet micro celebrity. Another thing that I actually didn't touch on. So when you're gonna do a YouTube apology, you have to have it fit to your style. So when I did apology, it was very chaotic because my style is chaotic. Okay, I pulled out my 2 Persian cats because I'm quirky like that. If you're a dancer, perhaps do a little interpretive dance. You know, if you're accused of grooming a young man, a young boy, and then be a young boy, first thing that you should have in your influencer tool belt is an interpretive dance. Honestly, that's a rookie mistake if you don't. I might have to demonstrate because a lot of you won't be able to understand this professional technique here. I might be rusty because I've actually never done this. My wisdom will manifest itself into my interpretive dance moves. I want to get into a nice open area, okay? This isn't great, but it'll have to do. A very important thing to do with your YouTube channel, incorporate your style. So if you're a dancer, you should dance and say, I didn't actually do anything. I didn't groom that child. No, I didn't. Because he's lying. And you're a liar too for believing that. I'm super rich and I don't want to lose any money. Okay? So you should keep giving me money. And if you're a sponsor, don't pull out of any contract deals I have, okay? Okay, you gotta really feel the burn too. And you just gotta let all of your emotions kind of work themselves out. And that will tell your viewers that you are very truly sorry. Another thing, if you make yourself down to earth, okay, so maybe sit on your bed or your kitchen floor, you just start fucking crying, okay? This has been covered. It works really well. You just gotta get into character again, okay? Because as an internet celebrity, you are not a person, you are a character. Remember that. But you have to victimize yourself and also drive that point home that you are the victim. I was accused of promoting something that I really shouldn't have to young kids, and I like money. I like money a lot. Okay, I need it. And if you don't keep buying my shit, I'm gonna be sad. You see, you really have to bring out that emotion right there. That wasn't even a cut there. There are many mature things that you can do to help keep yourself afloat. So if you thought this was gonna be some shitty parody, no. You're gonna be prepared, okay? This is your boot camp! And for more random ass shit, you better be subscribed, or I will blame you for everything. Officer, I wasn't going 125, you see? I was actually in distress because this user on YouTube didn't subscribe. I'm just full of the content. If any actual acting agencies want to reach out, okay, because those were some sick dance moves over there. And I have a lot of range. I'm very easy to work with, and I can come back very fast. For example, we're filming a Tyler Perry movie, okay? We can show domestic violence, and then we can go over to a comedy scene. And we don't even have to wait, like, at all, for the mood to change. No, we can set that mood. So if anyone wants to reach out there, I would be honored, okay? If for the right price, obviously. If you couldn't tell that this entire video was sarcasm and just me fucking around, I recommend that you see professional healthcare. I shouldn't even have to do a disclaimer. I gotta cover my ass, you know? Thanks for watching this shit show. Maybe the editing will make it better. The next thing's gonna be good. I think so. I know so. We'll never stop spouting my useful knowledge. If you're not subscribed, I'm gonna kick your ass. Goodbye.